Hello there. Do you want books, recommendation, and tips on investing? Do you want to know great investing strategies to grow your finance? If so, this video is for you. Today we give you 5 best books and tips on investing. Let's dive in. Book number 1. The Only Investment Guide You'll Ever Need, by Andrew Tobias. This first book is a classic to read for every aspiring investors, helping you use your money to your best advantage. Tips: take responsibility for your own money, because no one cares about it as much as you. Spend less, set up a system to save more, and establish an emergency fund. Book number 2. A Beginner's Guide to the Stock Market, by Matthew R. Kratter. This book is your ultimate beginner guide to help you invest wisely in stock market. Tips: be careful of bargain stock, understand the taxes you may have to pay on your investment, and know that whenever you buy a stock, you become a shareholder, a partial owner of the company that owns that stock. Book number 3. The Intelligent Investor, by Benjamin Graham. This book gives you great investing strategies from the greatest investment advisor of the 20th century. Tips: when analyzing stocks, take your emotions out of it, provides yourself with a margin of safety, and buy stocks that are clearly underpriced in the market from financially sound businesses. Book number 4. A Random Walk Down Wall Street, by Burton G. Malkiel. The author share with you time-tested strategies to successfully develop your investment portfolio. Tips: know that there are 2 schools to help you predict the market: technical analysis, which predicts the stock by speculating others' behavior, and fundamental analysis, which predicts the stock by its intrinsic value. Book number 5. The Little Book of Common Sense Investing, by John C. Bogle. This last book will help you become smarter about the market, to get more out of your investments. Tips: minimize your investment expenses, know that the majority of your money is best invested in safe, low-cost index funds, and recognize that in the long run, business reality trumps market expectations. Hope you liked our book's recommendation. Let us know in the comment which of these 5 books you want to read. Click on the link in the description to find the book you want. Do you know other great books on investing? Let us know in the comments. We would love to know your book's recommendation. Hope you liked the video. Don't forget to subscribe to not miss the upcoming videos. If you want to know Warren Buffett book's recommendation, click on this video.